National Weather Service in Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Kenosha County in southeast Wisconsin, Racine County in southeast Wisconsin, southeastern Walworth County in southeast Wisconsin until 9:45 p.m. At 8:50 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. This storm was located near Wonder Lake and moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Genoa City and Kell Lake around 9 p.m., Twin Lakes and Powers Lake around 9:05 p.m., Silver Lake, Camp Lake and Bonners Lake around 9:10 p.m., Paddock Lake and Burlington Airport around 9:15 p.m., Browns Lake and Pleasant Prairie around 9:20 p.m., Eagle Lake, Union Grove, Rochester and Kenosha Airport around 9:25 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Bassett, Slades Corners, New Munster, Salem, Kansasville, North Cape, Franksville, and Caledonia. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business.